Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new guys, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're already here, thank you so much for watching. Today we will be making the most delicious creamy garlic butter corn. If you're ready guys, let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe will also be in the description box below. So to my bowl, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Guys, and please ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature. Roasted vegetable cream cheese, and that is 1 tablespoon, and 2 tablespoons of chives and onion cream cheese. Some smoked paprika, some Old Bay seasoning, and some parsley flakes. We will mix this together and make sure everything is nice and combined. Alright, our mixture look amazing already. So now to our corn, I think you have to use your hand for this one guys. Make sure to lather that mixture right over the corn. Make sure to get in all the crease and crevices of this corn guys. Be generous with this mixture. It is super delicious. We'll place that in our Pyrex dish. Now for our delicious sauce. I've added some butter, some onions, garlic. Make sure to cook this sauce guys on really low heat. I'm adding some fresh parsley. Continue to stir. Some pepper flakes and some heavy cream. I'm also adding the remainder of the mixture we use on the corn into the sauce. If you have any leftover guys, you can put it right here. Oh my gosh guys, they smell amazing. I'm also adding some chicken bouillon and give that a good stir. Make sure to taste this sauce. Make sure it is right for you. So now for the magic. So we will pour that sauce, that creamy garlic butter sauce right over the top of the corn. Sprinkle some dry parsley over it. Amazing. So this will be baked in a 350 degrees oven for about 50 minutes or until the corn is nice and tender and absorb all that beautiful flavor. And our corn is done guys. Look at that corn. The smell that comes out of this, oh my goodness. So what I did is remove the corn and pour delicious OMG. Guys, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you have not yet done so. Thank you so much for spending time with me today.